Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today, for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to create room or group chat on Character AI. Now to do that, first thing is you need to open a Google browser on your PC and then click open New tab. Once you open a new tab, what you need to do is you need to go and type in beta.character.ai and press enter. This will open the official web page of Character AI, where you need to get logged in first. If you do not have the account, you need to create one at first. So for you to create a group chat, you will need to follow a few simple step process. Character AI group chat is a feature on Character AI website and mobile app, which allows you to create a chat with a multiple AI characters. So once you open the official website of the beta.character.ai on the screen, what you need to do is go on the left hand side and you will see the option create. You just click on that. Then you need to choose the option create a room. Click that. Now this will give you the screen over here where you will need to input few details. You need to name your room and select the character you want to have in the chat. So type in the room name. You can provide a different name for your own room. So I'm just going to type in a random details for this one. Then below you need to add character. You can pick characters from the provided option or you can use your own character as well. You can see the list of options provided for you to choose the character. So from here I'm just going to go and choose this very top one. You have the option to add a topic to your room. It's an optional process, but it can make your group chat even more interesting. Like what should happen in this room. So here you just type in few details about what this room or the chat room will all about. Once you have filled in all the required information, you need to go and click on create it at the bottom right corner. And with that, you have created yourself a group chat. So this is a way how you can easily create room or group chat in Character AI. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.